Hey everyone, hey, welcome back to Strong Fencing. We're doing a quick video today on this gate that we've just finished. It's a custom gate. It's got the loop top with the fleur-de-lis spikes on top. You can see these spikes, they look pretty nice. And it's got the alternating hoop top, so it's got this bar which goes through, which sort of gives this flowing line at the top, you can see. And just by the layout you can also see that it's actually a bifold, so it's a double gate. You can see there's a criminal over there. Oh no, that's one of the workers. It's a bifold, so it has like a short gate here and then another gate over there. It's quite a bit of a mission because you can see the ground's got a big hump in it. So we had to use washers to pack out these wheels. You can see you're either going to pack out the wheels or you're going to pack out the actual strip. It's always best to pull the concrete strip straight, but in this case we had to match the driveway, so there's no way to really do that, but you can see what that looks like. My assistant's just going to open up this one side for me, this big side. I'm just going to show you how that goes. What a lovely assistant. You can see it's going straight back. It's got a stopper down there, and this drop bolt hinges back on this side, and you can see it's got these sliding guides on the back, so there's no rollers on the front. So these sliding guides are quite a cool option. There's a piece of nylon that just slides up and down that track, and this one here, what we've done is we've put a piece of aluminium in the ground, drilled holes in it. Normally just do that for when we're on tiles like this, because the tiles can pretty much just break in half, so that's going to give a really secure footing there. And these things actually lock. They have a lock on it, so you can actually use them as your main lock for the gate. So you pull it up into that groove there, and once it's in that groove you can actually lock it. But that's how that one goes. Yeah, once it clicks in you can hear it click, and then you can turn the key. So this is what a custom gate looks like. You want to just close that one for us? This one's not automated at the moment, but it could be. Both sides actually open up, so we left the tails on just in case they wanted to automate it at a later date. But the reason they wanted it so high is that they've actually got a big slope driveway going up to their house, so they wanted to actually get that feeling of actually being closed in. It's quite hard when you're on a sort of a corner intersection like this. A lot of people want to get some privacy. Also we put this this little catch in here, this catch, and we've got some sort of rubber stuff on the inside of this one just to keep that all locked in. So yeah, that's what it looks like. If you're after like a custom gate, we can pretty much make anything. There's a whole bunch of set designs, but best thing to do is just head on over to strongfencing.co.nz.